guys, it's Abby in the garage, and today we're looking at the Wrangler seat cover from Fia. This is an authentic saddle blanket style seat cover. You're still getting that custom fit that a lot of Fia covers have. Another thing to note is this is water resistant, so if you spill something, you really don't have to worry about it. Just make sure you take it off, hand wash it, and drip dry. Don't be throwing it in the dryer or anything like that. Another thing to point out is this seat cover has a couple of color options. You can have it in black, brown, and gray. Overall, we would rate the installation of the Wrangler about a 3 out of 10. Keep in mind that if you have the Ford F-150, like this application, you are going to have a little bit more difficulty with the back seat, so your application difficulty may vary a little bit just getting access to that release. This takes about an hour, really not all that difficult, just making sure you get everything nice and snug. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Wrangler seat cover from Fia. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below, and check out the description below for product number and description, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you that would be more than happy to help you with this installation or the purchase of this product. If you like the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you love it, click the bell icon to subscribe to any new videos that we post. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.